I am Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We take care of you and your car after an accident. I received a call recently from a customer after her vehicle was repaired at another shop. The insurance company steered her there even though she said she wanted it repaired at Runway Auto. She explained to me that the inside of the vehicle was filthy with white and gray dust throughout, and the color didn't match. She didn't accept the vehicle and contacted the insurance company stating that it was not drivable. Her son has asthma and could not even sit in the car. The color issue was disappointing because her once white vehicle now has a yellow cast. In my conversation, she asked me if we cleaned cars when we repaired them before we delivered them, and I said certainly. We blow out and wipe down interiors and hand wash the exterior of every vehicle. She said she figured we did clean them because when she picked up her vehicle, it was clean after the repairs here in 2019. She is understandably upset that this experience has been so different and negative from her experience at Runway Auto. We wash every vehicle before we even start repairs, and then again before delivery. You might wonder why we wash them before we repair them. Well, that way we can see all the damage, and it also makes a cleaner, smoother repair. Rosann Kramer, Runway Auto, collision repair specialists that take care of you and your car after an accident.